Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see a very important SQL as well as Power BI concept. So what we use daily basis, okay, real-time scenario. So here you can see this is our customer purchase table where there is bill date, customer ID and amount. Now the requirement is I want to get customize what is our maximum amount they purchased, okay. So here you can see customer ID 1 purchased 800 in 5th of February. Customer ID 1 purchased 300 in 3rd of February. So this is the maximum. 800 is the maximum. Here you can see customer ID 4 in same day he purchased 100 and 400, but 400 is the maximum. So I want to get only the maximum value from the customers. So I need another flag column where if the amount is maximum then it will give me 1, unless it will give me 0, okay, customer wise. So how it will do, let's see. So I can write select customer ID amount, okay. Then I need case statement, case when, so amount I need maximum, right? So I can write when amount equals to maximum of amount, okay. Then give me something on what, on partition by customer ID. So I can write window function over partition by customer ID, okay. And when it is done, what I want in then give me 1, else give me 0, okay. End as max amount, okay, from customer purchase. So if I run this one, here you can see, so customer ID basis, so where the amount is maximum it will give me 1, unless it will give me 0, okay. Now how to do it in Power BI, let's see, okay. So here you can see, here I imported same table, okay. Now I will create another column, custom column I will create. I will write like max purchase, okay. Then what I need another I need if condition, right? So if something happens, so I will write like if, so in this purchase amount equals to like this, okay. I am writing like if amount equals to maximum amount, so same thing I am writing if purchase amount equals to max of purchase amount, okay. Max of purchase amount, then give me 1, else give me 0. But if I run this one, here you can see I'll get only all these columns, what is my highest value, I am getting there 1, unless I am getting 0, whole columns. But I do not want that, I want partition by. So how to do partition by in DAX? With all except, okay. So to create all except I need calculate also. So I can write calculate. Okay, well, calculate maximum of amount, then I can write all except, right? So I can write all except purchase table, and I want customer ID basis. Okay, when it is done, I'll then give me 1, else give me 0. So if I run this one, here you can see customer ID basis, it is giving me what is my highest value. Okay, so it is very important in financial reporting. Okay, in Power BI sometimes they want like, I want only the maximum amount customer basis. So like this we can create a flag value. Okay, and in SQL we can do like this. So I hope you found it useful. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.